Meet Bixby, your virtual assistant. Press the microphone button on your remote to access Bixby. Hold down the microphone button on your remote and say a command. What time is it? And then release the button. You can even say commands like, set a sleep timer for 20 minutes. Or volume 12. To activate Bixby settings, hold down the microphone button and say, go to my Bixby settings. From here, you can change your language or the voice style and access privacy settings. Be sure to turn on weather so Bixby will know your location. Now you can keep tabs of the forecast. Just ask Bixby, how's the weather? And you'll have the info right at your service. Press the microphone button once to bring up Bixby. Select Explore Now. Here you can learn about the different services you can access and the commands you can say. You can even view a brief tutorial if you need more help. For those of you with the 2019 Q Series TV, you have the option of going hands-free and using your voice to wake up Bixby. Talk to Bixby anytime by saying, "Hi Bixby!" You can always turn this feature off and on within Bixby settings. Bixby makes the things you do every day easier and faster.